We're finna go ahead and tour this room. This ain't my first time staying at this hotel, but one of the suites, and I'm by myself too, so you got the guest bathroom right here, I guess, with a shower, just toilet and the sink. Right here, you got your little bar area. No hotels down. Got your little refrigerator. You know you gotta pay for all that stuff. I don't drink liquor no more, so what's the name? I go to the store. Guess that's your little refrigerator if you wanna put something in there. This the living room area. Got your TV on the wall right here. Got 1, 2, 3 slide doors. Got your other TV right here. King size bed. Got your tub. Usually we had a room before a suite, but it wasn't wrapped around like that. They usually had a tub hanging out before you could see out the balcony. Got your shower. Got double vanities. Throne room. You got the closet with your iron, safe, robes. And then let's go outside. I'm gonna go this way first. All right, gonna go outside. That's how this side looking. LGM area. Got Las Vegas airport. Come right here. Had a script. They be having I don't know if this the one, but it's probably on the other side. I know this one turned to a club at night. I'm trying to see if this the one got the movie theater. I'm at the TV screen. I think it's on the other side. Oh, I got the TV screen. They be having movie nights on certain nights. You got your mall right here. And they got all the expensive stuff. Louis, Prada, Gucci. Miriam, whatever. Yeah. You got your script. I don't know if they still be shooting the water off right now. I ain't been here in a long time. I think I just locked this door because I just walked in. I locked that door. We go through this door. See, come out of either angle. And then that music down there loud, but you can't, with the door shut, you can't hear nothing. Got bubble gump shrimp. What that is, Rainforest Cafe, and they look like Sugar Factory. Then you got your Walgreens, Panda Express, McDonald's. I'm gonna come and do another video at night. Show you how it look when it's lit up at night. These my views right now.